This is the first song ever written by Robert Burns in my 15th autumn. This version of the text is from his Commonplace Book, headed August 1783. The following composition was the first of my performances, and done at an early period of life when my heart glowed with honest, warm simplicity, unacquainted and uncorrupted with the ways of a wicked world. The performance is, indeed, very puerile and silly, but I am always pleased with it, as it recalls to my mind those happy days when my heart was yet honest and my tongue was sincere. The subject of it was a young girl who really deserved all the praises I have bestowed on her. I not only had this opinion of her then, but I actually think so still, now that the spell is long since broken and the enchantment at an end. Song, tune, I am a man unmarried. Once I loved a bonny lass, and I love her still, and whilst that virtue warms my breast, I love my handsome Nell, singing fall-lolly-laura-laddie, fall-de-ra-laddie, fall-lolly-laura-laddie, fall-a-lura-lee. As bonny lasses I hae seen, and mony full as braw, but for a modest graceful mien the like I never saw, singing fall-lolly-laura-laddie, fall-de-ra-laddie, fall-lolly-laura-laddie, fall-a-lura-lee. A bonny lass I will confess is pleasant to thee, but without some better qualities she's no a lass for me, singing fall-lolly-laura-laddie, fall-de-ra-laddie, fall-lolly-laura-laddie, fall-a-lura-lee. But Nelly's looks are blithe and sweet, and what is best of all, her reputation is complete and fair without a flaw, singing fall-lolly-laura-laddie, fall-de-ra-laddie, fall-lolly-laura-laddie, fall-a-lura-lee. She dresses, I say, clean and neat, both decent and genteel, and then there's something in her gait, gars ony dress look weel, singing fall-lolly-laura-laddie, fall-de-ra-laddie, fall-lolly-laura-laddie, fall-a-lura-lee. A gaudy dress and gentle air may slightly touch the heart, but it's innocence and modesty that polishes the dart, singing fall-lolly-laura-laddie, fall-de-ra-laddie, fall-lolly-laura-laddie, fall-a-lura-lee. 'Tis this and Nelly pleases me, 'tis this enchants my soul, for absolutely in my breast she reigns without control, singing fall-lolly-laura-laddie, fall-de-ra-laddie, fall-lolly-laura-laddie, fall-a-lura-lee. So there was another song called I Am a Man Unmarried, to which he referred to the tune. That tune was not published in the 18th century or the 19th century, and the Weekly Scotsman put out a call for some of the missing Burns tunes, and a fellow named George St. John Bremner sent it in 1925, and he recalled the tune. Fortunately, he could write a musical score. He recalled the tune is sung by his father, who was James Bremner, a stonemason from Aberdeenshire who lived from 1802 to 1888. So that tune was first published in Selected Songs and Poems. What was it called? Anyway, it was published by Robert D. Thornton, who was quite a Burns scholar. And then again published in 2020 by Emily Lyle and Catherine Campbell in their book, Robert Burns and the Discovery and Recreation of Scottish Song, which is where I found it. Too much of Thornton's scholarship has been overlooked by the major Burns editors who have not published this tune. So anyway, quite a thing there. There is a second text to it, which was in the Stair manuscript. It dropped the verse about she dresses I say clean and neat. Doesn't have that verse, which is a wonderful verse. That means she dresses I say clean and neat. She dresses always so clean and neat, both decent and genteel. And then there's something in her gait. Gars only dress look weel. Gait means way or road. There's something in her way makes any dress look well. Anything she's wearing. I don't think it means specifically a dress. It's tricky with Scots when you get words that are the same almost but used differently. One of those words is silly, which Burns used about this song. Silly in plural. Silly simply meant weak or feeble. It didn't mean goofy or trivial, the way we might inflect it. So the other manuscript drops that verse about the dress, and it has this verse in it, which you might like better. Its fourth verse goes, but Nelly's looks are blithe and sweet, good-humoured, frank and free, and still the more I view them o'er, the more they captive me. That's it. That's the difference. And also he has honor for virtue in the first verse in the Stair manuscript. All right. Quite an interesting first song for a fellow. He's up to his usual trick there already of doing a kind of spectacular effect in his last verse. And this one, it's a little trick of the ear. He starts, "'Tis this in Nelly pleases me. 'Tis this enchants my soul," and he spells enchants with an I. So you're expecting "'tis this in" and another word, but it's the word enchants. "'Tis this in Nelly pleases me, 'tis this enchants my soul." So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe. I'm working on a book of Burns songs and have been for almost 7 years now. And many exciting discoveries, including this tune, which I found in the last year of my research. I did not have the Thornton book, so